Hey travelers, welcome to a fat tested walkthrough of Tiana's Bayou adventure. It's not open yet, but I was invited by some friends for a cast member preview, and I even made some frogs to go along with it. Let's go. A full walkthrough of Magic Kingdom coming out, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Would you like a frog? Here.
Thank you. It's cute.
Oh.
I like the balloon animals.
Thank you. All right, I'm glad that she ended up not getting in here because I'm moving over to the middle or we'd be leaning left the entire time. No problem getting in. These are pretty much the same boats. There's no rabbit. I wish there was a frog. We brought our own frog. Oh yeah, I guess it's gonna run dry.
Hey y'all, Louis is up ahead. Let's join the refined band for our celebration.
All right.
Welcome y'all. Let's meet up with Louis and find some musicians for our party. Look out, Bayou, here we come.
Almost there. My favorite song. Almost there. Hey, Louis.
Any musicians down here who want to jam? The party's about to begin.
That's Larry. Larry's the one that gets all the animals, all of their instruments. He has the little house here now. Oh, look at that. It's a little alligator. I'm almost there. Do, 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 do. But Daddy told me fairy tales can't come true. You're gonna make it happen. It all depends on you.
If you're looking for musicians, you don't have far to go. Tell the members of the company so.
Woo! Oh! Oh! All the way down, Bayou, going down the Bayou, going down the Bayou.
Y'all, this Nautical band she's bound can play. Hallelujah!
They can play. No doubt. Who has been to the
That animatronic is amazing. the bayou, going down the bayou.
They sure can play, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
How long can I know?
Our little friends below are doing big things. Time to think big. Time to get shiny.
Whoa! Whoa!
Where'd our friends go?
Oh, I get it. Cute. No, that's splashback. Oh. That is cute.
This joint is hopping.
These tiny musicians you found really bring the heat.
Find out what you need. Skies and sun.
Time I get you back to side. But invite your little friend to tag along too. Hope you enjoy getting tiny. Now let's get you back to your big, bold, beautiful self.
No matter what you do. We don't care. Oh, this is what they were talking about. Find out who you are. Dig a little deeper. It ain't that hard.
Let's get you to the party. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed.
I missed that. Oh. I guess maybe this one's Larry. Or I don't know if they both are Larry or this one's the one with the umbrella. He gets all the instruments. He's a little hoarder. Will we still get splashed here like crazy, or did they fix it? It's not that bad now. I think they fixed it a little bit. Oh, that's pretty.
Remember, this party wouldn't be what it is without you.
Yeah. Last thing I want to do is hold up a line. So these photos will not be available until they actually come out. So there you can see it there. The little frogs. Look at the frogs. Tiana's Bayou General is not open yet. At least while I'm here. Thank y'all. Absolute blast on Tiana's Bayou Adventure. I'm so glad to finally be able to ride it. I thought it was a lot of fun. It was upgraded well. I love the music while you're standing outside if you have to get stuck outside for a while. It moved fast once it was up and running. It did have some technical issues causing a delay for the start, but once it was up, it was moving and we got on really quickly. Well, there's not as many animatronics, and we knew that going in, right? A lot of those animatronics have been repurposed to save the country bears, but what you saw in there was brand new technology. Well, for the US, brand new technology that we absolutely love. One of them looked absolutely amazing. They did use some screens. I didn't think it was overdone like at Universal. They used that fog and lights that they told us about, but I thought it was used well in like 2 places very briefly. I thought we'd get like an overwhelming amount of that. We didn't. There are a few dark spots. I feel like they could do either put some more lightning bugs or something in there to kind of fill up that space with. But the whole thing, overall, I thought was very well done, and I really enjoyed it. The only thing I thought it was missing was that scary point that you had in Splash Mountain with the vultures. And I think that what they could have done is when Mama Odie makes you small and go to, instead of doing that, she could send you down to the underground briefly, and you could run into the Shadow Man and all of those creatures briefly before she brings you back up at the end. I think that would have been great, but didn't happen. So there's not really a scary moment other than the drops themselves. And if you've not watched the entire walkthrough of Magic Kingdom, I have an old one, and this new one will be coming out soon.